Hi, this is Justin Robertson. I'm a member of the IowaCentral assessment team, and today I'm going to show you how to create a new project in Weave and the proper naming protocol for your project in Weave. So this is the landing page for when you log into Weave. You land on your projects page, and you need to find in the upper right-hand corner up here the Create New Project button. I will go ahead and click on that. It's going to ask me what type of project is this. It's a completely new project. What format do I need? It's an assessment project. I'll click Next. This page is where I'll select my template, put in my project title, and select my reporting period. So the first thing I need to do is select my template. It is the Assessment of Student Learning by Course Section template. We are going to create assessment projects for each of our course sections every semester. I need to then, in this next box, put in my project title, and I want to follow the proper naming protocol, which is last name, comma, first name. Then I need to put in my term, which can be either fall, interim, spring, or summer. I'm currently in the spring semester, so I'll choose that. I need to put in my course number. So it's ING 106 FD 09 Composition 2. I'm going to choose my reporting period. It's currently the 2018-2019 school year, so I will choose that. Then I will click Next. And my project has been created for me. You can see up here on the top left the name of my project. If I made a mistake with that, maybe it's not FD09, maybe it's FD08 is what I meant to create. I can just click right on it, change it, hit Enter, and it's fixed. Now that I've created my project and named it properly, I can start actually putting information into my project. If you've got any questions, please don't hesitate to contact the assessment team.